Mother tinctures refers to a simple combination of a botanical extract with a specific amount of alcohol. In general, a mother tincture contains the lowest possible potency of any particular homeopathic preparation. We will talk about some of them. Chelidonium majus, enlarged liver, jaundice, with loose motion. Cardus marianus, enlarged liver, jaundice, with constipation. Chaparro amargosa, chronic diarrhea, when best suited remedy fails. Schizium jambolinum, diabetes mellitus. Crataegus, heart tonic, and coronary artery blockage. Avena sativa, tonic for nerves. Alfalfa, general tonic, appetizer, and fat producer. Aspinosperma, asthma, bronchodilator. Blata orientalis, asthma, especially when associated with bronchitis. Trillium pendulum, bleeding from uterus, red color, hemorrhage from fibroids. Mellifolium, for various types of hemorrhages, of bright red color, uterine bleeding, hematuria, hemoptysis, hemorrhoids, and epistaxis. Hydrastis, dyspepsia, constipation, liver dysfunction, cancer, and cancerous state before ulceration, when pain is principal symptom. Berberis vulgaris, kidney, and gallstone. Hydrangea, for breaking of kidney stone. Sarsaparilla, for cleaning of kidney stone, sand in urine. Gentiana lutea, appetizer in children. Gentiana charata, chronic fever, and blood purifier. Echinacea, blood purifier, antiseptic. Calendula, antiseptic for wounds. Passiflora, sleeplessness, and as a tranquilizer. Acalpha indica, bleeding of pulmonary TB. Jabrandi, for mumps, and local use for falling of hair. Arnica, local massage for injury. Aletris, leukorrhea with weakness. Viburnum opulus, painful menses. Damiana, sexual weakness, and less sperm count. Yohimbinum, sexual weakness, and early ejaculation. Sable cerulata, prostate enlargement, and undeveloped breast. Plantago, local use for toothache, and earache. Mullein oil, local use for earache. Arjuna, a heart tonic. Raw Alphea serpentina, high blood pressure. Atista indica, for all types of worms. Berberis aquifolium, external use for skin affections. Baptisia, typhoid fever, and malarial fever. Ceanothus, enlarged spleen. Carica papaya, enlarged liver, and spleen, indigestion, and uterine disorders. Cowmeg, enlargement of liver, and spleen. Chionanthus latifolia, gallstone, hepatic derangement. Synodon dactylon, hemorrhage, from any orifice of the body. Hamamelis, venous congestion, hemorrhage, varicose veins, hemorrhoids with bruised condition of the affected part. Ficus religiosa, bright red blood, from any orifice of the body. Sustitia adhitota, cough expectorant. Streculia, weakness, and alcoholic craving. Asoka jonesia, uterine tonic. Natrum hyposulfurosum, locally, and internally for liver spots. Azadirachta indica, skin diseases, and malaria. Panis lambertiana, menses irregularity, among married women. Vesicaria, prevents uric acid diaphysis, and controls suppurative stage of urethra. Phytolacca, obesity, fat reducer, and breast tumor. Hope the video was helpful.